Looking to learn and grow a digital skill, here are 5 habits you should build in order to grow and make profit from your digital skill. Number 1, you need daily practice. Important is to set aside a particular time every day to practice on the new skill you've decided to learn. Number 2, you need to break it down. It is important to break the skill you want to learn down into smaller bits or smaller subtopics in order to help you to learn. What this will help you do, it will help you to avoid being overwhelmed with a lot of information or with a lot of things to do. For example, if you say you want to learn digital marketing, now digital marketing is a wide aspect. But breaking your digital marketing down into smaller bits like copywriting, sales funnel, email marketing, and much more. And then number 3, you need learning resources. Leverage on the large amount of information on the web today. There are a lot of free courses online that you can download, and there are ebooks you can learn, there are websites you can learn from, and all of that. So there's so much well of knowledge on the internet today that you can learn from. And then number 4 habit is set goals. Set goals. When you're setting your goals, ensure that your goals are smart. It should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and then it should be time bound. Most especially time bound. Alright, because you could say you want to learn a skill today and then take it forever to learn. But when you set a time limit or a deadline, you'll be able to accomplish things. And remember, I told you earlier, you should break the skill down. When you break your skill down, it will be very easy for you to set deadlines and meet it. The number 5 thing you should do, and it is very important you do it, is that you should apply and iterate. Alright, one of the major reasons why people do not get results when they learn certain skills like digital skills is because they just learn and do not apply. The major difference between knowledge and results is knowledge applied. These are the 5 habits you can start applying today into learning digital skill, and you see whatever you do grow. And remember, learning a skill takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself, stay motivated, and embrace the learning process. And trust me, with consistent practice and a good mindset, your digital skill blossom and flourish, and you see the results. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay up for more updates like this and much more on digital skills you can learn. If you love this video, drop a comment below. So see you next time.